without you. Even if you take it all away, I'll wait for you. Even when the light begins to fade, I'll wait for you. I'm so desperate calling out your name. Meet me in this broken place. Hold me now. I need to feel you. Show me how to make it new again. There's no one I can run to, and nothing I could ever do. I'm nowhere from here.
Hello guys, it's our second day in Lisbon. So, ngayon, magbe-breakfast muna kami. And we're going for a tour. No, Mami? Pakita ko muna si Mami. Ha? Right, anong tour ang gagawin natin ngayon, Mami?
Sintra.
Sintra? Hindi ba yun yung pangalan ng kotse natin dati? Nissan Sintra? Oh, Sintra. Okay, whole day tayo ngayon, May.
Sintra and Cascay.
Ang ganda mo naman.
So beautiful, I'm so beautiful, I'm so beautiful, so natural, not typical.
So, kung breakfast nila. Sulit. Hi, we're just waiting now for our tour guide. Ano, Mami? Hintay-hintay lang. Sakit tayong tuk-tuk.
Pwede rin.
Ewan ko
Ang daming tuk-tuk dito. Parang Thailand ba yung maraming tuk-tuk?
Dito tayo galing ng Thailand eh. Anyway, maraming ang tuk-tuk dito. O siya, tingnan muna namin baka nandito na. Go in the back. Fine. Yeah. Alright, here we go. So we are here at the Ayaw. What do you call this? What do you call this place? Cabo de Roca. Cabo de
Cabo de Roca.
Yes, there you go. Alright, we're gonna explore this one for now. This is our first stop. Okay?
First stop.
Very good. Alright. So yan. It's really windy. Ayan na. Lighthouse over there. And alright, let's go. Ayan, guys. Grabe, ang ganda ng araw. Look. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
So nandito na kami sa isang town ng part pa rin ng Lisbon, di ba? Sabi niya.
Sabi niya.
Oo.
pero
It's
katabi.
called Sintra.
Sintra.
Yeah, Sintra, you know, the Nissan Sintra. Wala nang Nissan Sintra ngayon, di ba?
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Oo.
Yeah, that's your first car.
Yeah. So yun, oo. So,
And
ayan
then
na
we've
sa
got
likod
the
namin.
National, turn around,
Okay.
show the National Museum.
There you go. Here we go. Sandali ha, papakita namin yung National Museum. Sintra. There you go. So, yun yung National Museum. Hindi na kami papasok dyan. Kasi
Sawa na kami sa museum.
sawa na kami sa museum. Okay. So, ikot-ikutan nilang namin tong town ng Sintra. Okay? Let's go! Hi guys, we got a new cup. Yan,
His new cup.
from Portugal. Yeah, collection ko yan eh. Okay, nice, isn't it?
Gusto mo?
Yeah, 2 shots. There you go, yes.
Hold, hold.
Yes. Ginger. Cheers. Lasang ano?
Really nice. Can you eat that? Chocolate.
Yeah, you can eat it. Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Alam niyo kung ano lasa ito? Lasang Ribitusin. Ang kap kayo. Good. Hindi, try nyo rin ha, pagpunta yung Portugal.
Ano to pang baby? Ewan mo dahil. Bulilit.
Oo, ang baby nga.
Cute.
Ito, Nandos.
Asan ang ticket? Please give the ticket though. One Radisaura, yeah. One Cachada, and what's that? Is that the 2 special ones that we have? Yeah, one of each, and one of this is not pastel de nata.
Kakain muna kami, tingnan mo, nasa street.
Casa Periquita.
Nandito lang kami sa street stairs. Whatever is this?
Okay, so. Okay, so we've got the usual pastel de nata. And then this one is travisairo. And this one is quesaida.
Sige, tikman mo na.
Okay, travisairo. Mmm. Sweet.
The other one?
Meron pa. Quesaida. Apparently this is cheese, but it doesn't taste like cheese, so. Parang yung ano, yung sa Pilipinas, yung may coconut yung loob, parang ganun. And then of course, pastel de nata, our favorite. Yum. The best. Magkaiba pala yun, blue. Tapos yun yung
Doon.
Tikip ng alak, tsaka sardinas.
Okay, where are we now? Where are we going?
Ulitin mo.
Where are we going?
We're going to Quinta de Regole. Quinta de Regole.
Relogio.
Quinta de Regole.
Okay.
It's a bit hard. Hello. Welcome.
So we're going to the tunnel.
It's a steep walk, but I hope it's worth it.
Yeah, we're gonna check for the well, isn't it?
Yes.
And what do you call that well?
Quinta de Regale.
Whatever.
She was just
I've got one 3 years old, and that's great.
yeah. Oh yeah. There's the horse stable.
For the horse, huh? Or visitors.
Antônio Augusto Carvalho Monteiro was his name. Big name. He was actually born in Brazil. He was born in Rio de Janeiro. He bought this property on the late 1800s. Most of the changes, though, he started doing them on the early 1900s. 1904 to be more. true intentions. Because what I'm saying, it's just matching the dots.
Yeah.
The information, I just.
Right, here we go. So we are here in the windy road. We're just going to the to find the well. Yeah. So there we are. Okay. Here we are on the top.
And to correlate Quinta da Regaleira with the Freemasons. Because Luigi Manini, the Italian, that by the way participated also in the construction of Bistro Palace, the one you saw on the way, he was a Mason. As for the owner, I've read different things.
Hello. Welcome to the initiation well.
Oh guys, so here's the well. There you go, all the way down. Look at that. Oh, yun na si Mami, oh. Okay. Right, let's go. It's a bit dark, isn't it? It's a bit dark.
An inverted tower. It's raining.
Yes. You can see it. It's gonna to wait.
This monthly. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Well, no, this pizza was like coming through.
Yeah, this was artificially made.
Yeah.
Look, take your time, go to the waterfall. I'm gonna be waiting for you here because the exit is gonna be that way.
Okay.
Just take a photo of the waterfall. Thank you.
So now we're gonna go through the left. To the left, to the left.
To the left, to the left.
And this one, this quartz. This rock. I hope this part is not people who take the gun from you.
Right, okay, mommy. Drink it. Taste what?
Tastes like water.
Steak what? Spring? Is it spring?
It's like naranja. Orange juice. It tastes very clean.
Free spring water.
You have
the
it also
pyramid.
inside the chapel,
Oh, I see.
right at the entrance, at the top.
That's another reason.
Guys, we're just going to have lunch. It's already 4. No, it's 2:40. Yeah. Yeah, so it's a late lunch. So,
Do lunch first.
yeah,
Go Burger King. Go Burger King.
yeah. Right, okay. So, we're going to the restaurant, okay? It's been recommended by the tour guide.
Thank you.
Okay. See you in a bit. Hiya. So katapos lang namin mag-lunch. So ngayon nandito kami sa Cascais.
Sky.
Isang harbor nila. Ayan. Alright, so tingin-tingin lang kami sa mga barko-barko nila. Bangka. Ayan. Ganda ng araw. Very nice. So there you go. Ay, sige. Lakad-lakad lang muna. May kailangan namin ice cream pala. Di ba? Masarap kumain ng ice cream, no?
Yup.
Okay, hanap muna kami ng ice cream, ha? Okay. Okay, yan. So, yun yung harbor nila. So, may maliit silang beach doon.
cone and medium cone. Would you like anything else? Coffee, water, pops? No, that would be $9.80. By card?
Hello. Hi. What do you want? Mango, pistachio. And then I have chocolate and
Sarap.